Hi, I'm Parneet Jaggi, and this is going to be the second lecture in the series on Tara, a famous play by Mahesh Dattani. Now, when we talk about Tara, of course, a talk about the characters of Tara become more important. So, as we discussed in the earlier lecture, Tara was written in the year 1990 and performed as Twinkle Tara in Bangalore in 1990, and subsequently later on, it was performed with the title only Tara. And it is the story of a girl named Tara who kind of represents the social problem of the social injustice and the gender discrimination done to her vis-a-vis the behavior with her brother Chandan. And because this play depicts a very serious problem of our society, of the traditional setup of a patriarchal society, it was also awarded Sahitya Kala Award in 2000. Now, as we have discussed, the theme is the gender discrimination. Let's come to the characters of Tara. Now, Tara, as the title indicates, is the name of this girl who is the central character of the play, and she is born as a conjoined twin. She is a twin to her brother, whose name is Chandan, and when they are joined at the hip, and a surgery has to be performed in order to separate the two and to save the lives of the two. But from the very time of her birth, she is shown as the victim of that common social problem of gender discrimination, the mother of Tara and the doctor. So they decide to operate on the two kids, two babies, and this operation does not go in favor of Tara. It goes in favor of the twin brother. Now, this brother is Chandan. He is a boy born as a twin to his parents, along with Tara, who has been given a little upper hand in surgery because these twins are born with three legs, not four. So this is a foregone conclusion that one of the child will get two legs and the other will get one leg. So it is decided on the part of the parents that Chandan is going to get both the legs during the surgery after their birth, and Tara is going to get one leg only. Now, then we have Mr. and Mrs. Patel. They are the parents of these twins, Tara and Chandan. Mr. Patel is the father who is always kind of dominating in the family. He shows unnecessary intervention and interference in all the decisions of the family. And Bharti, who is Mrs. Patel, she is Mr. Patel's wife and Tara's and Chandan's mother. And she plays an important role in taking the decision while the surgery has to take place as to who will get what while during the surgery, while the two twins are being separated from each other. But later on in life, she looks after Tara very well, and eventually she loses her mental balance because of the future of her kids. Then we have another important character, Dr. Tucker. Now, this is the doctor who suggests a surgery to Tara's parents. And the important thing to be noted here is that he represents a noble profession, he represents advanced technology, but that lack of pure conscience is also visible. He has that greed, he has that impure feeling of being partial and prejudiced with these twins, especially Tara, because of which she suffers throughout her life, and in the end she loses her life. So Dr. Tucker has an important role to play as in the beginning when he is performing the surgery. Then we have this girl Rupa, who is the neighbor of Tara and who is a kind of a companion. She's made to give company to this girl Tara. But she also has her own personality and the features which we will come to the plot and discuss in detail. Now, when we have a short look, a quick glimpse at the story, we come to know that Tara is the story of a girl who is actually ambitious. She wants to shine like a Tara, like a star, like her name suggests. But here, because the theme of gender discrimination, identity, the middle class life and upbringing of the children is very important and highlighted. So it is shown that the agony of a girl in a typical Indian society is like this. She is discriminated. Now, because she is born as a twin, so there is a boy Chandan who is also born along with her, who is surgically separated in an unequal manner, intended to favor the boy rather than the girl. So that extra leg is given to the boy. However, Tara is unable to survive the disadvantagements in every way of her life while she grows up, and eventually she loses the war of life and she passes away. Now, then, in the story, we also see that the other twin also suffers. It is not that he leads a happy and successful life. No, he is racked with guilt over Tara's death. And he leaves that place. He leaves his parents, his family, and he moves to London. And he even changes his name to Dan. And in London, we see that he tries to start a new life in order to forget and to repress the memories of her sister and his guilt that some way or the other he was responsible for Tara's death. So, this is how the story proceeds, and of course, it is tragic, it is serious, it gives a grave message to the society. And we'll discuss the plot in detail in the coming video. So if you all like my videos, if you are benefited by my videos, please like, share and comment. Thank you for now.